This a black man with hands production plan. Hey, we're gonna talk that shit. You know what time it is? It's time for talking shit. Yeah. Gonna talk that shit. Gonna talk that shit. I'm talking shit. Welcome to Talking Shit. Boy, we got a lot to cover. Finally, the Democrats have heard my plea. I was begging and ranting at my home the other day doing an episode of Talking Shit, calling on the Democrats, and finally today, as a result of Eric Holder's contempt of court, or contempt of Congress BS from the Republicans, a major part of the Democratic Party walked out on Congress and basically did a walkout and really came over to the microphones and expressed the real problems facing this country and what the Republicans are doing. See, Republicans don't realize that there's power in unity, and there's not power in controlling everything. You know, and Barack Obama scored a victory today, hit it out of the park. The Chief Justice Roberts sided with the liberal part of the Supreme Court and upheld major portion of the health care law that has gone into effect and will go into effect further on 2014. The Republicans are furious, and so they're going to take it out on their anxiety toward Eric Holder, our highest law officer in the country. They held him in contempt, and I'm really just sort of emotional right now because it's sad that, you know, support these people with kids that were born here and they bully him for that, you know. He tried to make sure that people can go to the doctor and they bully him against that. He said that the gay community can marry as adults and legally marry whoever they want, and they bully him for that, you know. It's just a list of protests in their own way through obstruction and not compromising or negotiating for real. You know, Mr. Issa is being used as a puppet in regards to this Eric Holder thing. It's really sad, you know, and I say hooray for Barack Obama. I say hooray for the liberals today. Hooray for the Democratic Party. I mean, being a Republican, I'm getting a comment from someone who's telling me that Barack Obama and Mitt Romney are the same. And what a lame duck session type ass this person is. I hate to bastardize you, brother, but you're on the wrong. You don't see, I'm a black man, and I don't believe in racism, but this country has a lot of it. And to sit here and say that Mitt Romney is the same as Barack Obama just because you're not interested in the Obama ideas is really sad. There is a stark difference between the two of them. I mean, Barack Obama got people working with him who don't even want this PAC money. You know, people who are adamantly against it and have spoken out against Barack on not wanting to suck corporate cock, if you will. I mean, and to say that Barack Obama is just like Mitt Romney is sad, because what you're not really looking at is the facts. You're just dealing with how you feel. And the fact is that we're all a part of the same system. So there are always going to be similarities. But there is a clarity and an honesty and a helpfulness that comes from the guy who captured and killed Osama bin Laden than the guy who closed down all those factories and stuff so he can make more money and store it in offshore accounts. If you don't understand the difference between Mitt Romney and President Barack Obama, just look at the worth. You know, look at how much they're worth. I mean, Mitt Romney's got way more money than Barack. You know, Barack is trying to get us to turn down raising the tax breaks for the wealthy. Mitt Romney's not doing that. Mitt Romney created a health plan that Barack used as a skeleton for this plan, And he's now against his own plan. Barack Obama's not doing that, brother. The brother who commented me, I'm responding to your comments. And I'm not trying to be passive aggressive. You accused me of not really being informed or said that I need to be informed. My information, a great deal of it comes from outside sources, but most of the information that I try to transmit on this podcast comes from personal experience, which may include some ignorance, because unlike the Republican Party, I'm willing to learn some stuff, and I clearly just have been paying attention since I lost my job, and I know for a fact that Mitt Romney is not the same as Barack Obama. They may be a part of the same theater, but they are different characters on this stage, brother. And you don't know what you're talking about, really. And the reason why I do this podcast is so brothers like you can come here and get some information. I'm talking about practical information. I'm not talking about no specialists or no, polling person that can come and sway the polls and all that. I'm talking about from personal experience. There's a spiritual thing that goes on with Barack Obama that Mitt Romney is light years away from. Barack Obama does not have the kind of money, both personally and politically, that Mitt Romney has at his disposal. Those are differences, my friend. They're different. They're not the same. And people want you to think they're the same so you can keep making decisions that are lame. Siding up with homophobia. Siding up with sexism. Siding up with dogma and religiosity that doesn't trigger the curiosity of our children as you go ahead and double up on how much money the kids have to pay for schooling and stuff. Barack is not for that stuff. There's a difference, brother. One of them is a Republican, another one is a Democrat. The difference, one of them is white, the other guy is black. You saying that the differences don't really matter when it comes to really distorting your facts. That's all whack. That's the same as their dishonest crap. So the guy that's commenting me, I don't know what your name is, I don't understand what your name is on the comment thing. I'm trying to learn more about YouTube because I don't know a lot. All I'm saying is we got a lot going for us right now. And people are going to get mad. And they better hype up the security around Barack and his family because people are crazy. But one thing I know about Barack is he's not lazy. He's on the move. And you got to catch up with him so you can understand what it's like, man. He talks about that struggle that Mitt Romney don't know shit about. Is there a difference between Barack Obama and Mitt Romney? Yes, of course there is. What are you talking about? Is there a difference between Mitt Romney and Barack Obama? Yes. Otherwise, we would only have one person running for president. Give me a break. Come on. Let's have an intelligent conversation about how to rule this nation. What do we need to do to stop all this mental masturbation? When it comes to really helping people, the Republicans are trapped in hesitation. I refuse to get caught up in their inflammation of the facts. When you look at the fucking Fast and the Furious situation, Holder stopped it. He didn't even know about it. Then he found out about it and he stopped it. And he's not going to release the papers. He's not going to release that shit. There's people's names and stuff on there. He can't release that information. He's legally not allowed to. Why are y'all not investigating where it came from? Rather than where y'all think it ended up at. And if everybody was doing such a fine job at really dealing with this thing, then why didn't they have these kind of questions when the program started? Where were these questions at when the program started? Not after he done fucking ended it. That's politics. Barack Obama is not doing that, my brother, but Mitt Romney's friends are. Is there a difference between Barack Obama and Mitt Romney? You bet your sweet Republican ass there is. And we're going to prove it to you in November. When we vote this guy in, you guys are going to spend the money. You guys are going to have the mayhem. You're going to send out a mixed lying-ass message. And all we're going to do is present the vote. And you're not going to suppress our vote. The Republicans are going around the country with their legislators in local government changing the rules on voting. manipulating the redistricting, and Eric Holder is questioning that and policing that. And Barack Obama is pissing people off on Wall Street. Those are Mitt Romney's truest and best friends, my brother. Is there a difference between Mitt Romney and Barack Obama? Give me a break here. You know, stop reading the news and look at your own experience, man. Do you have racism? Do you have homophobia? How do you treat women? What's up with you, man, as an individual? That you can't see that this man is for the common good. He's not all about the Benjamins. He's trying to help common citizens. Mitt Romney is not doing that. Is there a difference between Mitt Romney and Barack Obama? Please, come on. Say a prayer. Let's do some more praying for the Republican Party before we go off the air. Can you put your hand on the screen again? And just pray to your own version of a God or your own belief. I'm not going to be Republican and tell you who it's got to be, but just put your hand on the screen right there. And just ask the universe to bless the Republican Party with some open-mindedness and some honesty and some integrity toward looking out for the other man. Am I my brother's keeper? Or am I just a daydreamer based on what I want to run and rule and try to control people over? Am I really a part of the human family? Or I'm just trying to get what I want and get what I got and increase upon that and screw everybody else? Republican Party, I'm praying for you. In God's name, amen. And that's where we at right now. You gotta watch me because it's time to go. Send those comments. I want to start some shit. Let's start some shit. Let's put a hole in the Republican shit. Let's do what we got to do with the Black Man's Hands production crew. I'm DeAndre. I'll be back another day. I'm grateful to be here. I'm grateful to be here witnessing this. Thank you, Democratic Party. Walk out on the bullshit. Stand up for the truth.